Welcome to Synergy Nexus Innovations, the holding company of Canada Smart Mind. Prepare to embark on a linguistic journey to the rustic countryside of Newfoundland and Labrador, Canada. In this province, known for its picturesque landscapes and friendly communities, our video series will guide you through learning English in just 3 sessions. This immersive experience will help you master pronunciation while enjoying the serene environment of a rural area. Newfoundland and Labrador, with a population of about 500,000 residents, thrives on fishing, mining, and tourism. Remember, mastery depends solely on your practice and repetition. Though challenges may arise, the persistent effort will ease your way to fluency. 3-session learning guide. 1. Session 1. Basics of pronunciation. Focus on foundational sounds. Practice common phrases. 2. Session 2. Intermediate fluency. Engage in conversational practice. Improve intonation and rhythm. 3. Session 3. Advanced proficiency. Fine-tune pronunciation. Participate in advanced dialogues. Economic activities of Newfoundland and Labrador. Fishing, major industry with rich marine resources. Mining, significant contributor to the economy. Tourism, growing sector due to stunning natural beauty. Encouragement. Achieving proficiency in English relies on your dedication to practice and repetition. While you might face initial difficulties, consistent effort will make your journey smoother and more rewarding.
Welcome to Canada Smart Mind, the premier Canadian school dedicated to helping you achieve your dreams. Whether you are looking to further your education, improve your skills, or advance your career, we are here to support you every step of the way.
Welcome to Synergy Nexus Innovations, the holding company of Canada Smart Mind. Text menu. 1. Introduction. 2. Importance of learning English. 3. 3-session learning guide. 4. Economic activities of Newfoundland and Labrador. 5. Step-by-step guide to learning English grammar. 6. Understanding and using adverbs. 7. 10 examples of adverbs. 8. The challenges and rewards of learning English. 9. Impacts of AI on economic activities. 10. Human life enhancements through AI. 11. Encouragement and motivation. 12. Conclusion and call to action. Introduction. Welcome, eager learners, to a thrilling journey of mastering English. With our guide, you will navigate through the intricacies of grammar, learn about adverbs, and understand the profound impacts of AI on our world. Importance of learning English. Learning English is not just about mastering a language, it's about opening doors to new opportunities. Whether you're aiming to excel in your career or simply want to enjoy the latest Hollywood blockbuster without subtitles, English is your ticket. 3-session learning guide. 1. Session 1. Basics of pronunciation. Focus on foundational sounds. Practice common phrases. 2. Session 2. Intermediate fluency. Engage in conversational practice. Improve intonation and rhythm. 3. Session 3. Advanced proficiency. Fine-tune pronunciation. Participate in advanced dialogues. Economic activities of Newfoundland and Labrador. Newfoundland and Labrador, with approximately 500,000 residents, thrives on fishing, a cornerstone of the economy, supporting local communities. Mining, a significant contributor, providing numerous jobs. Tourism, growing rapidly due to its stunning landscapes. Step-by-step guide to learning English grammar. Step 1. Understand basic sentence structure. Every sentence needs a subject and a verb. Example, the cat sleeps. Step 2. Identify parts of speech. Learn the roles of nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. Example, the quick brown fox jumps swiftly. Step 3. Focus on tenses. Present, past, and future tenses form the backbone of communication. Example, I eat, I ate, I will eat. Step 4. Learn about articles. Articles like a, an, and the define nouns. Example, a dog, an apple, the book. Step 5. Practice prepositions. Prepositions show relationships between nouns and other words. Example, the book is on the table. Understanding and using adverbs. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs, providing context such as how, when, where, and to what extent something happens. They often end in ly but not always. 10 examples of adverbs. 1. Quickly, he ran quickly to catch the bus. 2. Quietly, she spoke quietly in the library. 3. Brightly, the stars shone brightly in the night sky. 4. Often, he often visits his grandparents. 5. Tomorrow, we will meet tomorrow. 6. Here, come here and look at this. 7. There, she was there yesterday. 8. Very, the movie was very interesting. 9. Almost, I almost finished my homework. 10. Never, she never eats broccoli. The challenges and rewards of learning English. Learning English can feel like climbing a mountain, with rocks and thorns on the way. But with each step, you'll find the path less daunting and the view more rewarding. Here's a humorous take on the process. Challenge, the pronunciation of words like though and through. Reward, the ability to read Shakespeare and understand British humor. Impacts of AI on economic activities. AI is revolutionizing economic activities. Food production, AI improves crop yields through precision farming. Energy production, AI optimizes energy use, making it more efficient. Water harvesting, AI aids in the sustainable management of water resources. Human life enhancements through AI. AI is not just about robots, it's about enhancing human life. Disease treatment. AI helps in early diagnosis and personalized treatment plans. Aging. AI supports the elderly with assistive technologies, improving their quality of life. Encouragement and motivation. Learning English is a journey, sometimes sprinkled with humor and other times with deep, reflective moments. Remember, each mistake is a step closer to mastery. Picture yourself fluently chatting in English, confidently navigating through conversations and texts. Humorous example. Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. Remember, you too can be outstanding in your field with persistent effort. Reflective thought. Learning a language is like learning to ride a bike. At first, you might wobble, but with practice, you'll ride smoothly. Conclusion and call to action. Should any questions arise, we encourage you to reach out via our comments section. Moreover, if this content resonates with you and you know someone who would benefit from it, please share this video with them. Thank you for joining us at Synergy Nexus Innovations, the holding company of Canada Smart Mind. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and you'll master English in no time. Template text for sharing and comments. Hey everyone, if you found this guide helpful, please leave your questions in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with anyone who might benefit from it, and hit that like button. Subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Remember, achieving fluency in English depends on your consistent practice and repetition. Though you may face difficulties independently, constant practice will ease your way to mastering your ability.
Tell us in the comments below which topics you feel are better for you. And remember to hit the bell icon and subscribe yourself. Now, let's get back to the video.
Welcome to Synergy Nexus Innovations, the holding company of Canada Smart Mind. Exercise, understanding adverbs. Question, identify the adverbs in the following sentences and state which verbs they modify. 1. She sang beautifully during the concert. 2. He always arrives early to meetings. 3. The children played happily in the park. 4. We will leave tomorrow for the trip. 5. They spoke softly to avoid waking the baby. Answer template. 1. Beautifully modified sang. 2. Always modifies arrives. 3. Happily modifies played. 4. Tomorrow modifies leave. 5. Softly modifies spoke. Our sponsor helps you with a daily course in English and French and job searching, which is very cheap. It is 20 cents per day and very flexible for the person's lifestyle. Write your comments to make the next videos better to cope with the viewers' demands. and give a like and subscribe to increase the importance of the video and show the next videos to the viewer and more people. The links to our sponsor website are in the description below. They can find the links to the Canada Smart Mind School below the video. Advised to not wait for a miracle, and to do the work themselves.
I thank all the support of Canada Smart Mind and thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you at the next one.